listen to a long speech, but I'd like to very much acknowledge the cooperation and the funding of this event for the past couple of years by Tuckers. I'd also like to acknowledge the work of Fiji, that has been in charge of running the school awards, the music awards, and the film awards. And it is with their assistance that all the schools here are able to participate in this wonderful competition. Over the years, we've had many schools participate, but we now have more and more schools participate. And in particular, I would like to acknowledge the participation of the special schools. We started off only with one special school about a year ago, and today we have more than 4 or 5 special schools. Please put your hands together for all the special schools. And the courage that have shown to come here to dance in front of you. And what this shows to us, ladies and gentlemen, that Fiji as a country is becoming more accepting. We are more accepting of people who may be different to us, who may be disabled, who may be blind, but they're still very much part of our society. And this is what Fiji is all about. Fiji and all Fijian people must be accepting. And what is also wonderful through this music award is that we see a wonderful blend, a fusion of music, a fusion of dance, a fusion of movements, and a fusion of thinking coming together to give us this wonderful evening. And this is exactly what we want the future of Fiji to be about. So thank you for all of you, the dancers, the teachers, the parents who have participated, and those who have supported us and supported this event. And I'm sure that the best team, the best school will be the winners tonight. But if you do not get a prize, you're still a winner, because you've come this far and participated and shown us your talent. So with those 3 words, thank you all for being here tonight, and I would like to invite the CEO of Tuckers to join us on the stage so we can make the presentation of the winners. Laka, thank you.